Hi, it's me, Sophia. Today, us back in a first customers.
Keep going. You're doing great.
Okay, Joey. Yeah, Mom, look.
Oh, that's a big one.
My favorite chicken is Makeup, but her don't like me anymore. But her went away from me, so I can't pick her up in a chicken coop. Oh my God, I'm so sick.
Good dozen. Ooh, aren't those pretty?
We will wash all of it. Ooh,
Ooh.
that's gorgeous.
They did. You're funny.
I did my job. I want more tickets.
What did he say?
Okay.
He did? He told you okay?
Oh, Mama.
Is that what? He told me I couldn't have more chickens.
Only us wash eggs with this.
That's good?
I
Loud.
got this on Amazon. My link is in my bio.
That's okay. Thanks. Looks like the dogs are gonna get another egg.
Hi, it's me. I'm your Bessie. It's me. What says Pearl and Oscar in? Oh my God, this is so cute. That's me. We too.
Good job. A lot of eggs! That's a lot of eggs! You did so good!
Thanks for sponsoring us.